What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and follow me on my social media, which will be linked down below. So today's video is really exciting because I collaborated with Sugar Bear Hair and they sent me over some of their products to review, which I'm so happy to do. So thank you so much Sugar Bear for sponsoring this video. A few things that I want to mention before starting this video is that I've never tried Sugar Bear Hair. It is my first time, so I'm going to be sharing with you my honest review. Okay, I believe that Sugar Bear sent me their hair vitamins and their sleep vitamins, which I believe is one of their newest products, and I am so excited to try them. I will be testing them for a month and then I'll come back sharing my experience. Okay, so as you can see, Sugar Bear Hair sent me this huge box. I cannot even fit it in the whole screen. Like, look at this. What? Okay, I am going to be unboxing this with you guys and telling you a few things about the vitamins. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing so far, and now I'm gonna tell you a few things about how Sugar Bear vitamins can benefit you. So to begin with, Sugar Bear hair vitamins are 100% vegan and also gluten, soya, and cruelty-free, with an amazing sweet blueberry flavor. And it also contains 15 vitamins and all natural ingredients, some of them being biotin, B12, and other clinically proven ingredients to support hair growth. So now let's talk about how many gummies you should eat per day and how much they cost. Okay, there are 60 gummies in one bottle, and Sugar Bear says that you have to take 2 gummies per day, which equals to 1 month supply per bottle. I really hope that makes sense. The price for one bottle is $30, and I know it sounds crazy, but if you think about it, it comes down to be $1 per day, which isn't that bad. At the end of the day, it's all for your own benefit. But I recommend buying more than 1 month supply because you will see results after 1 month, so make sure to give yourself some time to actually see some growth. Okay, so now let's talk about the Sugar Bear sleep vitamins, which I believe is one of Sugar Bear's newest products, and I am really excited to try them. So from what I've read, the Sugar Bear sleep vitamins help you get calm and relaxed before going to sleep, regulates your sleep cycle, and also improves a peaceful state of mind while you sleep. They are supposed to help you promote a deep restorative sleep and support a positive and calm mood. And here's a list of the ingredients that are in the sleep vitamins. Some of them are melatonin, vitamin B6, and magnesium. So now let's talk about how many gummies you should eat per day. So just like the Sugar Bear hair vitamins, you have to eat 2 gummies a day, but make sure to eat the sleep vitamins before going to bed, or otherwise you'll get sleepy during the day. So that's all I had to say about the hair and the sleep vitamins. I will be trying them for a month, and I'll come back in this video telling you my results and experience. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Okay, now I'm gonna be unboxing a few things that I'm really excited for and I wasn't expecting Sugar Bear to send me. So the first thing I'm gonna be showing you is this adorable sleep mask, which came in this really cute dust bag, and apparently it glows in the dark. I don't know what to say, it is perfect, it is so soft, and the material is just amazing. So the next thing that I received is these 2 pairs of socks, and honestly, it is the softest thing you will ever touch. They came in these 2 beautiful shades of purple, and honestly, I am obsessed. I've been sleeping in them for the past few days, and they keep your feet super warm, and they feel so nice on the foot. I have also received an amazing king-size blanket, which you saw at the end of the unboxing. That's why I'm not gonna show it to you again, but it is so soft. That's all I had to show you for now, guys. So I will see you all in a month. So I'm back. It has been a month since I started taking the Sugar Bear hair vitamins and sleep vitamins, and today I'm gonna be telling you my experience. As you can see, I have already finished them. They're empty. And for those who don't know me, I could never swallow a pill, and these have been a lifesaver. So first of all, I'm gonna be reviewing the hair vitamins and then the sleep vitamins. So let's go. So my hair usually grows around 1.5 centimeter a month. And I'm gonna put a video of my hair before and after taking these vitamins, and you can tell me in the comments down below if you think it grew longer or not, but I believe that it did. But I can tell you for a fact that my hair has become healthier. And I don't burn my hair too often by blow drying it, straightening it, or curling it, but it was pretty damaged because I wasn't taking a proper care of them. Now I can tell you it has become so much softer than it used to be, and I'm really liking it. I don't know why, but I feel like my skin has cleared out a lot since I started taking these vitamins. And I don't know if it's because of the vitamins, but there's that. So another thing I wanted to mention is that before getting these vitamins, I watched a few other YouTubers talking about them, and some of them were saying that they had some side effects, which kind of scared me a little. But in my experience, I haven't had any side effects. And you know, everyone is different, so these vitamins will not work the same for everybody. Maybe it will grow your hair longer, maybe it will be the same. But as I mentioned before, you have to take more than 1 bottle to see results. So I have 1 more bottle of Sugar Bear hair vitamins, and I'm gonna continue to take them. And I'm gonna be updating you guys on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me on my Instagram. And basically that's all I had to say for the Sugar Bear hair vitamins. And before I forget, if you want to get your own hair vitamins or sleep vitamins from Sugar Bear, make sure to check out the first link in the description. So now let's move on to the sleep vitamins. So for those who don't know me, I am a student athlete. I play tennis, which means that I train a lot. And sometimes I have to stay up late to study for the next school day. And most of the times I'm not getting enough sleep, and I end up being tired the next day. And I am so happy that I got to try the Sugar Bear sleep vitamins, because I can tell you honestly, they helped me a lot. So the first time I took the Sugar Bear sleep vitamins, I felt the reaction immediately. I felt like this weird feeling, like my body was so relaxed. I can't even explain it. So basically what these vitamins did, they helped me relax the muscles in my body. And after 30 to 45 minutes, I started feeling so tired and I wanted to go to sleep. I can tell you that the quality of my sleep has improved so much. Like, since I started taking the Sugar Bear sleep vitamins, I am not waking up in the middle of the night. And the best thing is when I wake up in the morning, I feel so energetic and like ready for the day. And I haven't had any problems with these. Like, I give them a 10 out of 10. So that was all I had to say about the Sugar Bear sleep and the Sugar Bear hair vitamins. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video, and follow me on my Instagram. See y'all in the next video. Bye!